Hey guys, it's Clara. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video will be looking at the Aldi ad starting on July 4th. Stay tuned. So if you're new to my channel, I typically do Dollar Tree videos, but if you like all things Aldi, meal plans, hauls, please check my channel out and subscribe below. So for some of you, you probably are already into this cycle. Others, the cycle starts tomorrow on July 7th. And I apologize, I usually like to do these ad videos in advance so that those of you who are on my cycle can take a look ahead of time. But last week got away from me, as it does for all of you from time to time, I'm sure. Let's take a look. So I thought I would give this method a try again, taking a look to see how things look online, because sometimes we can click on them. So let's zoom in. Okay, so right off the bat, we see again some pool, summer related kinds of things, summer waves, animal ride on float, featured find for $9.99 each. It looks like there's a unicorn that's in white and a pink flamingo. Let's see if there might be some others. And yeah, according to what I can click, it doesn't look like there are, but I'm sure that Aldi has some other stuff. $9.99 for Crane Ladies tummy toning swimsuit. But I gotta tell you, I like to try my suits on. I got a big booty. I want to make sure I feel comfortable in it. $19.99 for the Bellavi Sunshade sale. There are two kinds. There's a rectangular one and a triangular one. So this looks to be a gray color. Yeah, I don't know if these come in other colors. Like I said, I've been behind this past week. And when I went into Aldi Sunday, I had to do so. I was singing at church, so I had to do so after that. And it was like, 1:30. So it was kind of late for those of you who like to get in there into the seasonal aisle to kind of get those deals quickly. And the stock looked full. It looked full to me and nobody was in the aisle. I was like, what is going on? This is weird. But it was also July 4th weekend, so who knows. $12.99 for the Crane Foldable Mat with Backrest. Now this I did buy. I did just film a haul. Oh, see now? It doesn't show the other color. Okay, so I at least know that there are two colors of this because I bought a coral kind of color and this teal one. I bought two of the teal. And I'm so glad that I found them because last week I said I wanted to find those beachy chairs where you can kind of sit up a little bit. I don't mind that your booty will be on the sand with this one, and those chairs, they're usually a little bit above the sand, like this much. But yeah, I'm looking at this. I'm like, if this breaks for some reason, which I don't think it will, this looks like a good mat for maybe meditation, shavasana, that kind of thing. So anyway, $12.99, not a bad deal, I think. $16.99 for a pop-up sun shelter. We have this. I don't know if we paid $16.99. I kind of feel like it was around that price, maybe a little bit more. The one that we have, we bought from Aldi a few years ago, and it's in green. Let's see if they show that. No, these are blue. Honestly, I kind of like this blue better than what I got. It has held up well. It's a little bit of a learning process on how to fold this back into its circular zippered bag, but the bag does have a handle. But definitely before you go to the beach, practice putting this thing inside of its bag. I think I had to Google it. It was tough. I know it doesn't sound like it would be, but you kind of have to like twist and turn, and so it ends up being a circle. I know you guys are probably like, that's not hard. $4.99 for a 30 by 60 beach towel. Those are kind of cute. I did not end up getting the lemon towel. Didn't get it. Didn't see it. So $4.99 each. Yeah, I missed me some lemon stuff last time. $5.99. Ooh, I gotta tell you about this. $5.99 for the Crofton Double Wall Wine Glass or Lowball. So these came, I wish they would show the colors because there are some nice colors. These came in white. I bought it in white. I think black, blue, obviously pink because you see that on the screen. And then they had these smaller ones that were like whiskey tumblers in blue. And I got this one in black. And I have to say, I love this thing. Sometimes, this is going to sound sad, but I'll get a little coffee in the morning, not even like a full cup, maybe like 3/4 or half a cup. And I don't finish it in time. Like I have to keep reheating it. I get so busy like doing some other things. Sometimes I'll go till the end of the day and it's still like a little coffee left in the cup. So it would be nice sometimes to have a little cup like this to keep it. And it's been working really well. It did not say specifically that you could put hot stuff in here. Usually though, when I see these tumblers, you can. It said it was dishwasher safe, but I don't know. I don't think I would. These are so small. It's not going to take that much to wash them. So mine always end up kind of weird after putting them in the dishwasher, even if they're safe. But if you want to put it in there, technically you can. All right, sorry, I'm probably making you dizzy by all this scrolling. $14.99 for the Venture Ridge half-gallon double wall stainless steel jug. They had something kind of similar last week. These look big. Yeah. Again, I would not be surprised if there's some other colors. Why don't they show them? I don't know. But this is nice. It has a handle like this, but also this circular handle on the top. So I wonder if you could put like a carabiner through there if you're going for a walk or a hike. Then we have the $8.99 Crane men's or women's sunglasses. There were a lot of designs. $29.99 for this 9x7 4-person tent. Takes 7 minutes to put it up, so that's nice. Accessories not included. I'm assuming that means like mats and stuff in it. So yes, I am not in the market for camping stuff. Last time I went camping was just, I don't know. I'm gonna need some time before I try again. $14.99 Adventure Ridge men's trekking sandals. $29.99 Adventure Ridge 42 can rolling cooler. And $49.99 for this Auto XS electric cooler. $29.99 Huntington Home 300 thread count organic sheet set. Almost had a little not so good moment on YouTube. $4.99 each for the Huntington Home essential oil. I have got, what did I get there? I think I got eucalyptus. These I use for the diffuser. $9.99 Huntington Home plush bolster pillow. Could also be like a good college gift. So if you have a child who's young man or woman going to college, this might be a fun thing to include in their gifts. $6.99 Huntington Home asthma and allergy friendly bed pillow. $16.99 Huntington Home wedge pillow. Okay, let's see if there are other colors for this. Is this wedge pillow like if you have reflux? Is that the kind of thing? I wish you could see other angles. Depending on how big the wedge is, if it's fairly substantial, I think it would be possibly something to use if you have really bad stomach issues, reflux issues, or perhaps it's a wedge pillow that goes on the seat. It's where essentially you're kind of tipped forward a little bit and it kind of just helps you sit up. I probably need to get that, to be honest. My posture is not very good. $19.99 for a Huntington Home, a 5x7 plush or Berber area rug. I really like the rugs at Aldi. Huntington Home, $14.99 each, 20-inch by 47-inch memory foam bath runner. Nice to have, especially if you're on your feet a long time, curling your hair, drying your hair, getting ready. $19.99 each for a smaller memory foam bath mat. $24.99 on the side here, the Huntington Home wardrobe or shoe organizer. Let's take a look at that. I like the organizing stuff. Oh, bummer. Can't see what's inside. So I assume this is tiered. You know, clicking on these is not showing as much detail as I hoped. I'm sorry, you guys. $12.99 for the Visage Facial Pore Cleanser. $12.99 for the electric foot pedi. And $18.99 for the Phone Spa UV phone sterilizer. $29.99 quirky work and charge station. Charge up to 4 devices. Transfer and sync data. If anything, clicking for more details helps with that part to actually see the bigger picture, because looking at just the ad on here online, it is kind of a blurry picture. The resolution isn't as good. So, all right, $14.99 for the Belgian waffle maker. $3.99 Crofton mini bakeware. $12.99 for this cold brew coffee system. These looked fairly substantial. I saw these in the store a couple days ago, and they're not teeny. 45, almost 45 ounce capacity. $3.99 Crofton Comfort Grip utensils, pasta fork, turner, or spoon. And then $7.99 Crofton titanium knife set, includes a 3.5-inch paring knife, 5-inch utility, an 8-inch chef knife. And then $5.99 for the Huntington Home Mesh drawer organizers. These work great. $7.99 Crofton glass meal prep containers. These looked really nice in store, I have to say. $3.99 on the go assortment. What does that mean? So, okay, so a little water bottle, maybe a soup container or snack container. $7.99 mesh kitchen cabinet organizer. So more of the organizing kinds of things. And then $26.99 for this Easy Home 20-inch air circulator fan. That's not a bad deal. $5.99 Easy Home 3-in-1 fan. Okay, I saw these in the store, and initially I went up to them because my husband has been wanting to get a fan to put on the exercise bike, you know, one that can clip on. And I thought, oh, is this something I can kind of finagle in such a way to kind of hook it up to the bike? And I couldn't figure it out. But these you're supposed to put around your neck, and then it kind of, I think it kind of blows air like that. $7.99 Easy Home USB or battery powdered, really. 5-inch fan. Yeah. If your battery is powdery, that's bad. That's very bad. Okay, and then some learning things. I love the learning stuff. Unfortunately, they don't carry a lot of stuff for older children, but if you have toddlers or grandkids, I love their stuff. So they have summer workbooks. I saw those. Those were through like first grade or second grade. So again, we couldn't use them. $7.99 Bendon Learning Kit. So all sorts of books with ABC, shapes, numbers. $4.99 for the Learning Journey 4-in-a-box puzzle. So there are other versions of this. This one is the dinosaur, I think. Yep. And says ages 2 to 5. $8.99 the Learning Journey Activity Cube or Shape Sorter. These kinds of things, if it's just blocks, I usually keep around the house a little bit longer because, you know, if there's a young cousin coming over or a friend with little kids, that's an easy thing they could play with. And then they have all sorts of smaller kinds of toys. Okay, we are on the last page, again, with more outdoor kinds of toys. I've seen some pretty good reviews with a lot of the sprinkler and the mat kinds of stuff. Anyway, so $19.99, the 4-player disc golf or spike battle. Be Happy bubble machine, $8.99. $18.99 for the Zuru Bunch of Balloons Ultimate Kit. Okay, so they had a similar kind of thing last week, and it was like 30 or something, or 60. It was 3 of these in red, white, and blue. These are so stinking cute. Okay, I saw these in store. These were adorable. I have to say, $16.99, not a bad price. I love them both. Oh my goodness. This crab is lobster. Don't know. Still cute. Although a little scary. I don't know. And this pineapple is still cute too. No eyes, but yeah. It's a pet character bed. Okay, and then $3.99 for the heart to tail dog or cat toy assortment. $9.99 for the heart to tail pet cooling mat. Oh, that's nice. And then at the bottom, we have the food deals that don't start until, for me at least, Wednesday, July 7th. I'm curious though, if your cycle starts on July 7th, do your food deals start on July 7th also, or is that also delayed by a few days? $6.99 for the butterfly lamb leg with the Never Any brand. That's nice. Rosemary or unseasoned. $9.99 for the Asian sesame salmon on cedar plank. Oh, that sounds so good. And then $7.99 for fresh ground bison. Again, with the Never Any brand. Aldi, I love how you have this brand. I gotta say, it's just awesome. So anyway, I'm just chatty. So anyway, yeah, let me know, guys, what looks interesting to you in this ad. And by the way, I do have the ad for next week too. So I will be filming a video right after this one so that I will have this in time. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Take care.